Module 14, Classification of Victim and Causes of Victimization. Types of victims. General types of victims. Based on the classification of Hans von Hentig, a European lawyer. The young. The weak by virtue of age and immaturity. The female. Often less physically powerful and easily dominated by males. The old. The incapable of physical defense and then common object of confidence, shame. The mentally defective, those that are unable to think clearly. The immigrant, those that are unsure of the rules of conduct in the surrounding society. The minorities, racial prejudice may lead to victimization or unequal treatment by the agency of justice. Third type of victims, by Benjamin Mendelssohn, a European defense attorney, created his own classification of victim types. This includes the following 6 categories. The completely innocent victim, such a person is an ideal victim in popular perception. This category placed person victimized while they were unconscious and the child victims with only minor guilt, and those victimized due to ignorance. Number 3, the victim who is just as guilty as the offender, and the voluntary victim suicide cases are common to this category. Number 4, the victim is more guilty than the offender. Number 5, the most guilty victim who is guilty alone. Number 6, the imaginary victim, those suffering from mental disorders or those victims due to extreme mental abnormalities. Module 15, Introduction to Penology. Penology refers to the study of punishment of crime of criminal offenders. It includes the study of control and prevention of crime through punishment of criminal offenders. The term derived from the Latin word peona, which means pain or suffering. Penology is otherwise known as penal science. Francis Lieber was the sociologist who coined the term penology, which means punishment for criminals. Penal management refers to the manner or practice of managing or controlling place confinement as jails or prison. Corrections, a branch of the criminal justice system concerned with the custody, supervision, rehabilitation of criminal offenders. Correctional administration, study of and practice of a system management of jails or prison and other institutions concerned with this custody. Punishment is the redress that the state takes against an offending member of society that usually involves pain and suffering. Penalty, defined as the suffering inflicted by the state against an offending member for the transgression of law. 7 correctional facilities nationwide. Number 1, the New Bilibid Prison. Number 2, the Iwahig Prison and Penal Farm. It's located at Barangay Iwahig, Palawan. The Sablayan Prison and Penal Farm is situated in Occidental Mindoro, Philippines. The San Roman Prison and Penal Farm situated in Zamboanga City, Philippines. The Davao Prison and Penal Farm located in Santo Tomas, Davao del Norte, the correctional institution for women. And the lastly is the Leyte Regional Prison, located in Abuyag, Leyte.